think we good. Surely, right?
No.
Yes. Okay. What's up, friends? This will be probably a quicker stream than usual. I just wanted to get some stuff out of the way that I said I would before I leave, because as of tomorrow I won't have access to this Windows computer for a little while. And one of the things that people have been asking for is this ChatGPT kind of native app for Windows. So someone said there's one by LenCX. We might check out that one. Here we go. Looks like I've already visited it before. ChatGPT desktop application. This one is cross-platform. ChatGPT desktop application. This one is cross-platform, Mac, Windows, and Linux. It's by LenCX on GitHub. They have this URL. Let's see what this is. Okay, not too much interesting on there. It looks just like the Mac one does. One thing to note though for this is I'm not sure whether it will use the API or not. That's a big thing, because one of the advantages of using the ChatGPT desktop app on like the official one is I'm pretty sure it's pretty much free, the same as it would be if you're using the website. It's not actually using the API. So I'm not sure if this one is or not. Let's have a look at their socials. ChatGPT automatically perform. Yo, Wolfmaster. Hello. Looks like maybe they have a bunch of other features. So they actually released this desktop application a year ago. Interestingly. Very cool. So they definitely have a bunch of other features as well. Let's check them out on Twitter. Seems like they are Chinese, so can't understand it too much. I think they have this other app, the NOI app, which combines I think a bunch of different LLMs in one user interface. Wolf says most likely API. Yeah, I'm thinking so as well. Let's search for API. There's no mention of API in their README. Thank you. A Windows version will be available later. Okay, for the official one. All right. Well, they have releases, I think. Yep. So I think you can just go to the releases and download whichever one you want. Yeah, that's true. So you go to their GitHub link, github.com/LenCX/ChatGPT. And on the right, you can see their official releases. So right now, as of the 26th of May, the latest version was their August 3, 2023. So they haven't updated this in over like 3, 4, 5 months. I don't know. I can't count. Maybe even like 9 months. But yeah, they have a version here. I wish they had a features section so we could see what features they have, because I know there's multiple. I'm currently looking at some differentiating features, but they don't specify what. So I might look at some other ones before we download this one. Yo, Dan, what's up? They've also made this thing NOI, which has a whole bunch of features, and they've actively working on this. This one was last released in March 25th. It has browsing, prompt management. You can batch messages to multiple AI chats, streamlining the process of interacting with various AIs simultaneously. Different theme modes. So it looks like they've kind of expanded on this one a lot more. And this also does have the ChatGPT as a desktop, but as well as Claude, Gemini, Poe, a whole bunch of other stuff. Pretty much the main feature I would want in something like this is that easy to bring up kind of like spotlight menu. So on the Mac version of the official app, they have options space, which brings up something similar to this, where you can just start typing and chat with ChatGPT. You can also paste in images and screenshots. So that's kind of like a kind of very major important feature I would want in something like this. So yeah, I'm gonna look at see what else is up there before I download this one to see. Yeah. We can do a search for GitHub, ChatGPT, Windows. See what comes up. Oh, I also wanted to start using u.com more. People are saying this is like a lot better than YouTube for a lot of stuff. So yeah, let's say I'm gonna search Windows ChatGPT desktop application. See what u.com comes up with, while I also search myself over here. Ooh, we got the subs coming through. Unfortunately, I can't read them, but I think they're just gonna go off. Kinda all at the same time. Yeah, as suspected. So we'll let these go off before I continue. Be an easier way to do this. Sorry guys, just hold up. Just moving some stuff around. Alright. Okay, let's see what... Did I just click on the same thing? I did. So it looks like u.com brings up kind of like a chat. So I probably should have asked it in more of a chat way. Find 10 Windows ChatGPT desktop applications on... Oh. I guess they don't have to be on GitHub, but I'd pretty much assume they would be. Yo, Apollo, what's up? Task sheet, hey, thank you for the nice word. Sheep sheet, sleep shears, hello. Alright, what's this? Mini tool. That's the same one by Len CX. Website wrapper, ChatGPT is a Windows app. Okay, no, I think that's a kind of like a shortcut thing. Let's say find one that has a keyboard shortcut kind of thing. Yo, Lakesh, what's up, man? This isn't really working too well. Alright, I'm gonna go back to Google. I'm gonna do my own research. As you can see, a whole bunch of them have popped up here. Let's have a look at a bunch of the other alternatives. Oh, this is the same thing. It's forked. Okay. What did they change? Oh, this looks like the old README they had. Very interesting. Nice, they have features here. So they've like removed all the other stuff that they had in their README. Very interesting. I guess because this started to blow up. 50k stars, that's crazy. After the Mac 1 was released, maybe? Common shortcut keys, notification, system tray, custom URL, / commands, global shortcuts. Is this what we want? I guess. Yes, they do have a global shortcut, I assume, if that's what we... Oh, we can also check if it's using the API, if they have... Oh no. Doesn't ask for an API key, so I could believe like it's maybe like a wrapper around the actual website. Why are there two? Oh, I have two chats on the screen. Thanks for pointing that out, Lokesh. I think that is because of this. Did that work? Yes. Cool. Thanks for pointing that out. Okay, let's see what other options we have. This is a topic. So I think in topics it actually kind of shows a bunch. Unofficial ChatGPT desktop app using Tori and Rust. This is also from last year. Let's look at their demo.
Just updated my open source ChatGPT the new features. Let's go. Clean and simple menu bar design. After you install, the app is accessible directly in your menu bar. If you click here, you can directly ask the questions to ChatGPT. I'm wondering how to generate and directly. The second, using global shortcut. You can click Command Shift O in your keyboard and then it will bring you to the app.
Maybe we should compare these two. It's only 4 megabytes. That's pretty good for the download. So you can do API mode or web mode. That's pretty cool. Yo, Flash Webby. Good to see you. Okay, so we have two competitors here. I'm gonna put them all kind of here. Let's look at some more Synaptrix. Features multiple platforms, proxy, shortcut key as well, nice. Robust prompt management, share your moment to perform click. Okay. Seems pretty good. When was this released? Oh, July. Seems like all of these haven't been touched in a long time. December. Oh yeah, you can kind of see here December. 2 weeks ago. No. Let's keep going through though. Chat Wizard. Chat logs, API keys. This one looks kind of... What else? Plugins, topic chat, casual chat, local chat, prompt maker. That's the thing, like I don't know what people would want. A lot of different functions. I guess like none of these have the voice chat, do they? No, there's no like voice. Even this one. There's no like voice talk. So it's like you could get one of these, but it's going to be lacking so many features compared to the official app, specifically like the voice feature. Yo, Dare Trend, I love your videos. What's your opinion for the best copycat website AI builder? What do you mean by copycat? Like you give it a reference website and it clones it? I don't think there's any tool specific for that. Like you can try that with like, actually there's was it OpenWare? No, OpenUI? Was it this? Yeah, there's this. You can open UI by 1 dB. This is actually probably the closest thing. Actually looks sick. Can you try it? You can try it. It's pretty cool. Yeah, check that one out. OpenUI. Yeah, DMA's nice. Great minds think alike. What are my favorite Python libraries? I don't know. I don't have any favorite Python libraries. Maybe like OS, PyTube. What is this? ChatGPT Turbo updated 2 days ago. What the hell is this? What? Download. What is this? That is so sus. I'm not opening that. GPT for Omni. Okay, what's this? Desktop application demo. Okay. Okay. What is this? Oh, this is by the same guy. What the hell? This is so weird. Is it a fork? No. What the fuck is this? Paulo says, can you expand your comment regarding stronger encryption for the security for Microsoft Recall? Yeah. So Microsoft's Recall stores everything on device, which is good for some people's opinion because, you know, you're not giving your data to anyone else. It's all stored locally. But obviously, like, someone proved that there was an issue with that because anyone could have accessed the stored data locally apparently really easily. But if you have good enough encryption, so encryption, you know, changes the data so you can't just open it without decrypting it, right? So there has to be strong enough encryption that the only way you can decrypt it is through the Recall app itself, and then maybe some extra authorization, like you have to put in a password or biometrics or whatever. Whereas it seems like at the moment it's either not encrypted or really poorly encrypted such that any app can open the files and look at the data. That's the explanation. Thanks for the question. Yo, Linus, what's up? I'm asking for any badass AI side hustle idea. I don't know. Pick a niche you're interested in and try to make the best tool within that niche. Do you like YouTube videos? There's so many AI YouTube. Like, I've been watching this one. It's like, I don't know. The quality is like pretty poor, but the fact that it even exists is pretty useful. Let me see if I can see it in my history. How do you see history? History. This channel.
Animations.
Manu AGI Auto GPT tutorial. So this is, I assume it's completely automated with AI. It might not be, but
we're diving into the top trending.
The voice is AI. And they like theoretically could just keep scraping images and stuff from GitHub. All they do is like go through projects on GitHub and post it on YouTube. I mean, you know, they're growing subs. YouTube obviously pays. It's not great money, but they also, I think they've started to do promotions of like other people's SaaSes and they could get a lot more money like that. But yeah, I don't know. That's just one idea. No says, Recall is a feature nobody asked for and no one will use. I don't know. I feel like it's pretty useful. It's like something that's been around for ages. At least the idea has, but yeah, there hasn't been a good implementation on Windows at least. Mac has a startup called Rewind that has kind of Recall. Yeah, this looks like just a clone. Unofficial. If it's ChatGPT desktop app, there's so many, but none of them have like the chat. None of them have the chat, like the voice chat. So there's nothing that really can compare, I'd say. Yeah, so pretty much like I did a search. I'd say these, is this one? Probably these two. Everyone seems to like this one, LensCX by ChatGPT. ChatGPT by LensCX. It has 50,000 stars. I'm not sure if it has a hotkey shortcut. Let's just try it. But I also don't think it has the voice chat either. So yeah. So it's not going to be as good as the official app, unfortunately. But yeah, let's just try it out. I'm gonna install it. And we'll see what it's like. Alright. Here it is. Looks like it kind of is a wrapper for the actual ChatGPT, so maybe the voice will work. Will it let me log in with Google? Will it remember? Ooh, it doesn't remember the Google thing. That's interesting, actually. I guess you don't have to sign in either. Oh, I don't have GPT 4.0. Unless I'm signed in, probably. Do they have the shortcut? Oh, dark theme. It's a control center. Oh, it's just like settings. Main window. Notes. Oh, it has notes. I guess that's kind of like memories, prompts, script. That's pretty cool. You can like import scripts that run. Let's pop-up search. No idea. Pop-up search. Config. They don't say anything about a hotkey on their README either. Like, it seems like he's kind of replaced the README. I don't know. Honestly, I wouldn't really recommend this as a... like, it's not a fair comparison to the actual ChatGPT app. And I feel a bit sus for logging in through it, unfortunately. I wish it would open like an actual Chrome browser, so I don't have to manually type in my details here. I don't know. I'm going to compare it with the other option. This one by Sunny Lazur. Oh, that's 2K stars. That's pretty good. I'll install this one. Probably uninstall the other one. No, it has the same installer icon. Very funny. App user model shortcut could not be set. Okay, that's fine. What's the point of having desktop wrappers if you can just use the website? Yeah, that's a good point. So it makes sense with the official app because they have a shortcut like the Spotlight where you can just type something. Obviously that loads a lot faster than loading an app or a website because the app would already be loaded in the background. And then there's features in the future with that they're going to include. It's like screen sharing with GPT. So it can like help you through something. So if you're like having trouble with the software or a website, it can guide you. But yeah, for like exactly your point, I agree with like apps like this that don't actually have either of those features. Like this one might, but the previous one, they didn't say anywhere what the hotkey was. So it doesn't really make sense at all, hey. And this one, okay, it's in my system tray like 6 times. Okay, there it is. I think they said Control Option S was the hotkey. Shortcut key. No, they didn't. What is the hotkey? Maybe this one didn't have a hotkey either. I mean, it would be faster, I guess. But yeah, not the greatest experience. I can't really even move this around. It's pretty annoying. Yeah, honestly, I wouldn't recommend either of them, to be honest. I'm gonna uninstall this one as well. Paula says, in response to what the other person said, I would find recall to be very useful. Wish I had it today when I was looking for a file and couldn't find it. Yo, Jumper. What's up? Automatically close. Alright. Yeah, well, it seems like maybe, honestly, like, I wouldn't even recommend this. There's better UIs. Like, I was gonna try, is it Libra Chat or Lobe Chat or Big AGI is one I really like as well. Whoops. Like, these are kind of apps you can get with so much more functionality than even ChatGPT itself. Let me have a quick look at them. Unfortunately, Lobe Chat, I don't think you can use their downloaded version publicly. Like, you have to build it from source. Big AGI, do they have a desktop version? Let's have a look. Releases. No, it's just source code. It's just a website. Alright, what about Libra Chat? No, it's also source code. Interesting. Can I summarize the Microsoft event? So much happened. I probably won't do a good job. You could probably watch some videos on it. I have a video on it, but I don't think mine's very good either. Pretty much they're releasing new laptops. with this thing called Copilot Plus. They have a new processor called an NPU, Neural Processing Unit, which is more efficient for doing AI stuff. This thing called Recall, which like looks at everything you've done on your computer and you can search back to find stuff that you've done or ask questions about stuff you've done. Yo, Hyrule said they got a new job in AI engineering. Awesome, man. Any tips? Well, I'm sure you're doing great. Just continue what you're doing if you got the job. Do stuff you like doing, continue doing it, stay curious, build projects. I'm sure you'll do great. Congratulations, man. Okay, that was that. Yeah, as I said, I probably wouldn't recommend any of them, but that's it. Oh yeah, this model. Mini CPM. Llama 3 Vision model. I just downloaded it. I think it was rated pretty highly. Do they have benchmarks? Bench. Yeah, it surpasses like GPT-4V sometimes. OCR bench. Oh, here we go. Yeah, look how much higher it's scoring on languages. But yeah, vision model, whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, I've downloaded it on LM Studio. I don't know if I'll be able to run it while I'm streaming. Let's see. Wait, what? Why is it just called model? Also, what, no, don't run it full. I turn off GPU. Oh, here. Why am I, whoa, what the fuck? Why won't it let me, here we go. Set this. Alright, 5, whatever. Have I tried AutoGPT? Yeah, so long ago. Yeah, let me. Yeah, I think if you just search AutoGPT tech friend, you'll be able to find it. Oh, looks like I can't even load this if I wanted to while I'm streaming. Don't have enough VRAM. Sucks. I messaged you on Twitter a couple of days ago about Open Devon. Did you give it a chance to give it another shot? Oh no, I haven't tried it since, unfortunately. I definitely won't try it this stream too. I'm pretty tired. I was just gonna quickly check out the Windows versions of ChatGPT. Yeah, which I wouldn't really recommend any of the ones that I've found as like anything close to what the Mac official version is. And then I was gonna try Open CPMV with Open Interpreter. I was hoping to, but it looks like I can't really even run it properly. What if I go no GPU offload? I guess maybe we could try that. No GPU offload. Let's see if this even loads. No. Wait, oh, it's like a actual error with the model. Can you run vision models with GGUF? I mean with llama file? I don't even know how that works. Let's see. Where is this file? It's by OpenBMB. Here. Okay, so it's 2 files. You got the main file and then you have the vision adapter. Okay, this one's a vision adapter. Llama File vision adapter. I have no idea if this is even possible. Guess maybe we can read their docs. Search for vision. Nope. Revision. Maybe in their Discord. Vision. Vision. Apple Vision. No mentions. But one thing is, like, I've seen in their let me show you guys. If I run llama file here, llama file 0.86 open BMB wait, no, it was GGML model. Oops. If I run this, I think it takes photos. Like, it takes photos as input. Oh yeah, look, upload image. So I don't know what's in this image. I don't know if this works. Server was not compiled for the multimodal or the model projector. Could not be found. Okay, maybe that's something we need to change. Multimodal. Oh, here. Here's an example of how to use multimodal LLM. Okay, you go --mm_proj. Okay, awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Oh shit. Let's try that again. --m_proj. mm_proj. Okay. Oh. --m_proj. Huh? GGMLSR clip has lava projector. Oh no. Because it hasn't got a lava projector. Guess it only works with lava? I'll ask their Discord. Could be an issue with the actual files. Make this a bit nicer. I'll also link the OpenBMB mini C. It was this. Yeah. Okay. Community, please. I think this is the official OpenBMB too. I'm gonna assume maybe it's an issue with the file. The image though. Yes. Image is funny. Okay. I don't have much else to show or talk about. I do want to continue this for an hour, but Discord recap. Let's see. Showcase. Oh yeah, someone linked the Gandalf Lakera, which I made a video on before, but I couldn't find it on my TikTok. I feel like it got deleted or something. But pretty much, it's like a prompt engineering game. Your goal is to like get Gandalf to reveal the password, and it goes through different levels and gets stronger. I did it on stream last year, and with the help of the chat we got to level 8, which was really cool. It's a pretty fun game. Helps you like understand a bit more how to do these like prompt engineering attacks. Shouts out to, I think it was Melty Silicon for showing that. Had a bit of talks about Diffie. Kai sent a song he made. It's upgraded, the old prompts won't work now. Yeah, I mean, yeah, they definitely would have changed it since last year. No surprises there. Oh, is my desktop audio not working? Oh no, we're in performance mode. Okay, cool. Oh, it stops when I change channels. What's this? Invisible AI. The ChatGPT replacement for Mac. Oh, it's another cool. Oh wow, this is sick. You can share your screen and send it to Invisibility AI. That's sick. Looks like you can see what's on your screen. You don't have to copy and paste anymore. Very cool. What's the pricing like? Free, but if you pay, you get unlimited usage with 4.0 Gemini and Claude, and a help center. Otherwise, you just get some credits. Pretty cool. Maybe we should make something for Windows and then we can sell it. That's actually not a bad idea. Yo, Peter, what's up? What else do we have? That's about it. All right. Oh, what's this? Oh, this, dude, I think this is gonna be hard to set up. But, yeah, you probably do it with something like invisibility too. I guess this guy even give the code. I doubt it. Pietro, what was his name? Shirano. Twitter.
A very important choice for me, okay? And I need your help.
Yeah, I don't think he even gives a code. Ugh. Looks like we're in the pre-internet BBS server days. Yeah, it's a great time to be alive. Yeah, man. Elon calls AGI next year. Let's go. But I think Nick posted something cool. Oh yeah, Nick actually got access to Devon. So Nick is the guy that made this Grimoire, like the GPT for coding. And they got access to Devon. It's in my bookmarks actually. Here. And yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a free preview. This is what the start screen looks like. They have playbooks. I think he first did the playbooks to the like prompts. Pretty cool. Got like forbidden actions, advice and pointers, overviews, procedures, how to prepare your workspace. Peter says one thing about the Microsoft laptops, it seems Microsoft are ditching Intel. Yeah, Snapdragon. I wonder if Intel's stock has gone down because like now both Microsoft and Apple aren't supporting them anymore. Oh no, they're doing fine. Oh, 30% over the last year. Interesting. I wonder what they're up to. I'm sure they're gonna strategize some ways to still be relevant. iOS. Oh yeah. So first they tried to do an iOS app deployment. It's a kind of trap of the task, kind of 0% chance of it working because you need to use their own tools and stuff and get like approval from Apple and all that. So it's like kind of impossible for like something like something like Devon to do it with just like the command line and kind of tools it has access to. They say it did a pretty good job. It wrote some Swift, made some placeholder stuff, and gave him an App Store metadata file and told him to go submit. So that's pretty cool. And then he said the first thing that stood out to me, it's super slow. Took like 30 seconds to start. Is my audio cutting out? I feel like it is. Yeah. Yo, Brutal Strike. AI Google Dev competition. What is that? Can you make me a mod here so I can post links? Yeah, for sure. On YouTube? Which one? This one? Here. Manage chat modes review. Try this. See if that worked. Wait for your link. I'm going to continue this Twitter thread. Audio is great. Oh, great. Thanks, Peter. Alright, where were we? The chat itself is a very different flow. Let's make this bigger for everyone. Since you can keep adding new messages as it's thinking and doing stuff. Oh, that's pretty cool. So it's not like back and forth. It's like you talking to someone that's working. Alright, Brutal Strikes, link the Google Dev comp. Let's see. Build an app integrating Gemini API and win incredible prizes. You have 77 days to do this. The Gemini API developer competition. Alright, what are the prizes? What? The best overall app will win a custom 1981 DeLorean? I did not expect that. That's crazy. What? An custom electric 1981 DeLorean. This is the car from the famous movie Back to the Future. If you guys aren't aware. What else? $1 million in cash prizes. Most impactful app gets $300,000. Most useful app. Dude, that is a lot of money. Best Flutter app, best Android app, best web app, best use of AR core. This is cool. This is a good way to spend your money. Get your community to compete. That is freaking sweet. Okay. How do you join the competition? Oh, and there's also a People's Choice Award, which I don't know. Doesn't say what you win from that. So step 1, build an app that integrates to the Gemini API. Step 2, create a demo video about your app. Step 3, publish and submit the app. They got all these tools for Android Studio, Flutter, Firebase, Web. Oops, keep scrolling up. Winners will be selected by an expert panel based on remarkability, creativity, usefulness, impactfulness, and execution. This is super cool. How many members per team? Any size. Can I be outside of the United States? Yes. Oh, while anyone can enter, only in eligible countries can receive a prize. Refer to the rules for that. Does it need to be an app? It can be web app, whatever. Get ideas from the prompt gallery or explore code samples. Yeah, oh, you couldn't find it, Flashy? It's ai.google.dev/competition. Alright, let's see the rules. What country can we be in? Is Australia one? Oh, they have a lot of countries. Australia is one. Nice. Alright. Maybe we should make a team. I'm gonna post on general. Yeah. React to this if you're a developer and want to work on something together for this. Okay, should we watch a video? Oh, it's the actual guy from the movie.
Hey! You may recognize me from my acting work, but my real passion is programming. When I'm in the zone, I'm unstoppable. I don't know if you know this about me, but I'm really excited about the future and Google's Gemini model.
Yo, Peter asked, what's my setup? So I used to have the TikTok live studio, but now I'm using Streamlabs. I'm able to stream to a bunch of different platforms with Streamlabs OBS. Hope that answers your question.
Are tech that can get us there. And you know I'm submitting to Google's new Gemini developer contest, which is so cool it'll blow your mind back to beta. A chance to win for the most creative, useful, and remarkable apps. If you're a dev or dev team that wants to submit, great. But you'll have some catching up to do. I just drank 3 cups of nitro cold brew, and I'm ready to crank out some genius. Time to go wormhole.
Okay. So yeah. TLDR, Google's released a new competition. 70 days, ending August 12, so 77 days from now. You just have to build any app that integrates a Gemini API and you can win the grand prize of a custom electric 1981 DeLorean car, the car from Back to the Future, or $1 million in cash prizes, up to $1 million. Like, so it's like the biggest prize after the car is a $300,000. The biggest prize after the car is $300,000 for either the most impactful, most useful, or most creative app. And then the smaller prizes for best Flutter app, best Android app, best web app, AR, Firebase, and best game app. So yeah, I've put a call out in my Discord for whoever wants to join. Maybe we can make a team, spit some ideas together, and work on this together. See how we go. Who gets a DeLorean if we win? That's a good question. So if we win the DeLorean, how do we split it up? We'll have to take turns. I don't know. Or we sell it. We'll sell it for money. Put it on auction. Antarctica? Was that one of the countries? It is. That's crazy. You're eligible if you're in Antarctica. What about, do they recognize Palestine? I don't think, oh, they do recognize Palestine. That's good. How about Iran? Ooh, no Iran though. Syria? No Syria. Israel. Of course. Very interesting. Is that AI generated? No, it looks legit. Are you talking, I'm assuming you're talking about the video. Yeah. Let's continue that Devon breakdown. Okay, so Nick does say that most of the code gen tools that he's tried have been either chatbots, IDEs, okay, or a weird thing on top of GitHub issues. Whereas Devon is not particularly a chatbot, but it's like something that starts working and you can still chat to it, but I guess it feels different. There's these options to pause it or keep it running. Keep this session alive. Or pause, okay. Seems like there are two states, blue and orange. Orange is when it finishes and is waiting to get more info from you. Blue is when it's still doing stuff. Pretty cool. And apparently you can have 5 of them working on different things at the same time. Then you also have this work pane on the right, which shows the planner, files, browser, and shell. You can also boot a full VS Code inline editor to make manual changes, and it looks like you can just open and click around the web browser too. Oh, that's sick. I really like. That's one thing about Open Devon, which I didn't like, was all of their UI was read only except the chat. So you couldn't actually make any changes in the code, and you couldn't interact with the browser or the terminal. Pretty cool, pretty cool. The work pane has a neato time rewinder so you can follow along. That's pretty cool. Don't forget your daily stand-up. Oh, you gotta inform Devon if you change files. That's pretty cool. Yo, Peter, thank you for suggesting to help out. Oh, we got some gifts from, I assume that's Nick. I don't know. I can't really see in this. I don't know. Who is that? Thank you for the gifts, Sick Face. Sick Face Cross. No Russia or Ukraine either. DDG has an AI chat now too. What's DDG? Have I tried the Copilot workspace? I have not. They had a playbook for ordering DoorDash. That's sick. Let's see if we can make Dev and Pilot Mid-Journey. Just given the prompt, open Midjourney, make some marketing posters for the app HiveMind. Looks like it needed to log in with Discord. And then there's capture. I was able to create stuff with Midjourney, so even downloaded the images. Oh, DuckDuckGo, nice. Yeah, all the search engines are trying to add AI, Google, you. How about a Devon competitor with Gemini? Yeah, so I think Open Devon can use Gemini if you set it to. Oh, you mean as an idea for the hackathon? I think that's like a bit too difficult to get a good working thing with that. Oh, Peter, thanks for the gifts as well. Peter and sick face. Make a website that makes money. I have a Stripe account we can connect to. Otherwise, this is a very open-ended creative exercise. Oh wow, what a prompt. While that's going on, it's going to do some practical ones. Working on an app called HiveMind. Wrap GPT hard. Use LLMs and move Grimoire code to its own app. Okay, it makes sense. Setting up a proxy server so I don't leak any LLM provided keys. So it's getting Devon to do it. And that's the end of that thread. Wait, does it continue? No. Oh yeah, Ader scored the highest on the SWE bench light leaderboard, which is awesome. Ader is definitely one of my favorite coding tools, AI coding tools. Okay, I think we're waiting for Nick to post some more updates. Nice, yeah. Yeah, definitely share your ideas for the competition. We'll decide and hopefully pick one and work on it. We'll see. I don't know. Well, I think we tried to do a hackathon before and we didn't end up actually doing much, but I don't know, this time I have hope. We can at least like discuss ideas. But yeah, guys, I'm going to wrap this stream up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be traveling all of tomorrow, so I won't be around, but the day after I should be here. At least. Yeah, thank you. We will see you later. Peace.